Okay, so I just figured out how to create a new environment in Anaconda. First of all, go to Window, and then you go to Anaconda, which is this one, Anaconda, and then you go to Navigator. See if I can show you. Navigator, Anaconda Navigator. So it's gonna load quite a while. When you get to Anaconda prompt, make sure you check the applications on this one. But you haven't created this environment, right? So we have to click the environments. Let's pretend that we are not going to use this one. So we are going to create another one. Okay, this one, create. Just click it, and then you will have a prompt to create new environment. So I just called it my tray. So it's totally up to you what name you want to give it. So just call it my tray, and I only want Python 3.6. If you want 2.7 or 3.5, feel free to take the other one, but I want 3.6. So I click create. Then I am going to generate another environment. It's going to load quite a while. Just go back. So we're done. And you see all the packages you have in this new My Tray environment. Go back to home. Make sure you click, let's say if you are on root or something like that, make sure you tick My Tray. Okay, the environment that you just create. And then I need to install Jupyter Notebook. So just install that. So make sure we can use the Jupyter Notebook afterwards. I tried this morning and I was on the root. I didn't install the Jupyter Notebook. That's why I can't get the Jupyter Notebook command worked. So make sure you install the Jupyter Notebook. This one. But don't launch it here because you will get to the root folder that I showed you before. And now I'm going to install new packages. So go back to environment, so make sure you are in my tray. Let's say we don't have pandas data reader, right? We don't find pandas data reader and pandas. Just click here and click all. And then you type pandas. When you click pandas, you see pandas and pandas data reader. We need these two. So we click these two. And then we click apply. Go to the bottom right corner, click apply. It's going to install. So these will be installed, okay, to your new environment. So I'll click apply. So it's going to install to the new environment. Okay, it might take quite a while. Okay, so I think we still need XLRD. So we need to export to Excel. So this one, let's say we need XLRD. So it's not inside our My Tray environment. So just take it and then apply. So it's going to install to our environment. So just apply, should be fine. It's going to apply the installation here. So it should be, yep. So it's installed. So before we go, let's check what packages we have in the environment My Tray. Click here and then you click install. Oh God. Just these are all the packages we install. We should have pandas. Yeah, pandas data reader and XLRD. This one, XLRD. So we are good to go. Let's close the Anaconda. Close it, and then quit Anaconda Navigator. So before we do anything, let's create a folder. Let's say if we create another one, I just call My Tray Scripts. So I just called it My Tray Scripts. Then go to Window here, Anaconda, and then you click Anaconda prompt. We're going to use the Jupyter Notebook now. First of all, we need to navigate to the folder that we just created. So it's My Tray Script. And then we need to activate the environment that we just create. I think it's my tray. Should be this one. Yeah, should be. Yep. And you can see the environment name, my tray, inside the bracket. And this is the folder that we are going to save our Jupyter Notebook file. So Jupyter Notebook, and then press enter. Okay, so we are going to be getting here. So let's say we create a new Python file, Python 3. Let's give it a name. Just click this untitled or whatever name, and then just call it test tray, and then click rename. Then we have a new tray file. Okay, so let's check if we got this file. So just go back to my tray scripts, and then we see the test tray Jupyter Notebook file. Let's start typing some code. Let's say we can run pandas and pandas data reader package that we just installed to our environment, my tray. So import pandas as pd, and then shift enter. If you see no error message, then it's good to go. And then we can try pandas data reader as pdr. It doesn't matter if you name it AFD, whatever, but it's just convention that we just do. PDR stands for data reader. Okay, and then if you want to run the code, shift enter. Let's say if you want to run all the code, it's inside cell and run all the code. You just SciPy, which I don't have, right? As SP, then shift enter, then I should have an error message because we don't have this package. We changed this already. So we import pandas as pd. We don't want to scroll all the way back up. Then we just go to cell and then run all cell. Then it runs this cell, and so on. In the next video, we are going to start off our backtest on Anaconda. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.